number system. We learn about number system here. Number system is actually arbitrary. What I mean by that is we can use any number system and math doesn't change. Okay, but we use so-called decimal number to count things. That's because we have 10 fingers. That's what the many scientists agree with. What's the decimal number? Decimal number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, it goes to 10, next digit. And it's repeat again. 10, 11, 12, 13, right? Okay. But we can count different way. For example, computer use switches on and off. On is 1, off is 0. And because it's made of switches, it's used binary number. What's binary number? It's like 0, 1, switch is a 0, 1. If you have one more to count, then jump to 10 suddenly. Then 10, 1, after that jump to 100. And 101, 110, 111, then 1000. So that's the way binary count. This you got only 0 and 1, so you have to jump to 10, 100, and 1000 very quickly. So you have so many bits, each digit called bit. And if you have a 32 bit, then 32 digit of numbers. And that's the way computer use. That's called binary number. Okay, so the binary number is perfectly okay because computer use it and produce exact correct answers, just like human use decimal number. Okay, I tell you why it's arbitrary. There's a so-called ternary number. It's called 0, 1, 2, the 3, and after that it jump to 10, and it's repeat again 10, 11, 12, then 20, and after 20 it jump to 100. Okay, so that's okay too. And there are some attempt was made to make a computer using ternary number. Like a Russian scientist did that and found out it's more efficient and quicker to do calculation than binary. But that's another subject for computer science. Now, computer scientists, computer engineer like to use a hexadecimal. Hexadecimal is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way 9, and we need a notation for 10. It's A, 11 is B, 12 C, 13, 14, 15. 15 is F. And finally jump to 10. Okay. This is more convenient for human because it's kind of close to decimal. Because if you use binary, too many 0, 1s, very confusing. And also, it's easy to convert with computers binary because you look at, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 is corresponding to this, right? And next 4 digit is corresponding to this, so and so. So each digit we can translate each other to binary to hexadecimal. So that's why it's convenient to use. The conversion between the binary and the hexadecimal is so easy. So if we use hexadecimal, and if human had 16 fingers, probably that's the way we used it, and computer binary number becomes so easy for human. But unfortunately, we use 10 decimal number. Okay, let's talk about how to convert a decimal to hexadecimal. Suppose you have a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, large decimal number, right? And that's gonna be broken to A, first digit, B times 10 hexadecimal, 100, 1000, 10,000. We break it down. And what this 10 hexadecimal is 16, and 100 hexadecimal is 256, so and so. So we calculate E is going to be, this E is this one, 1. We subtract this number, okay? Then remaining, no more this digit. So we subtract D, and D is this guy, okay? Multiply by 12. We subtract that, then 12 times D, D times hexadecimal 12, hexadecimal 1000, I'm sorry. We subtract that, then this is the remainder. And from remainder, let's see, C, next one, is 15, and we subtract 15 times 256, which is hexadecimal 100. Then remainder is 199. We repeat this process, so we get hexadecimal number 1CFC7. This is same number as this, okay? The converting other way is much easier. This is a hexadecimal 1, 2, 3. How do we convert that? We just multiply each digit number. Then this is a decimal number. Okay. So the number system is arbitrary. We can use any number system, and math wouldn't change. It's the same thing. Okay. Just know this. Human use decimal number because the human got only 10 fingers. So when you count it, after finishing 10, you go to the next one, repeat. Okay? Human would have been using 12-based duodecimal number if they had 12 fingers. Okay, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B. You need a AV. That's a different number name. Okay. So if it's a 12 base, then just like a decimal number, 10 times 100 is easy, 1000. But it's 12 base. Okay. And 12 times 144, 1724 in decimal number. Okay, so we can do conversion between decimal and duodecimal. Okay. If we use a duodecimal, say human happen to have 12 fingers and use a duodecimal, some of like calendar 12 months and English unit like 12 inches or 1 foot, the calculation will be much easier. Okay, so it's a good and bad. Some case it's easier, some case it's more complicated. So it's really it's accidental that we use 10 based number system. There's no intrinsic reason to use 10 base number. It's just accident. Okay, so when you see the alien, what kind of number system do you think they're using? Okay, where's the hint? Look at their hands, see how many fingers they have, right? Okay, which number, spelling error, system would be the best way to communicate with alien? If you're not sure, what will be the best bet to use? Binary. That's what I think, because binary is the basic 0, 1. You cannot break it down smaller than this. Okay, And probably if intelligent alien, they know that too. So they would try to communicate with us using binary. And we use binary, bingo, we can communicate. At least number, we can communicate. Once we communicate with numbers, we can check each other's intelligence, because number is like, addition, subtraction, those other stuff. You can demonstrate. So alien thinks, you have like elementary school 5th grade intelligence, right? So we can demonstrate many things and we can communicate. But I would say when I see alien, I will see hands, see how many fingers they have. And that's a way we know how to communicate with them. It's kind of interesting, isn't it? It's biological condition. It's happened to be 10, so we use 10 base number. And it's really accident that 10 base number is used all over the world. We know several civilization all over the world, and they all use 10. There should be a reason. Biological reason affect mathematic number system. I think this is very interesting topics, and we have other interesting topics. Please check out the video, and thank you for listening.